Welcome to Casa Equilíbrio. Today, we are moving through a short but powerful yoga practice designed to awaken your body, increase your energy, and bring clarity to your mind. No matter where you are or how you're feeling today, these next few minutes are an opportunity to reconnect with yourself. So let's begin. Take a comfortable seat position and take a slow, deep inhale through your nose and exhale softly. Now, come to your mat and gently make your way into child's pose, bringing your toes together. Open your knees and slowly sink your hips back to your heels. Walk your hands forward and allow your forehead to rest on the mat. Take a deep inhale through your nose, fill your lungs completely, and exhale slowly. Let your whole body soften into the earth. On your next inhale, come forward into upward facing dog. Press firmly through your hands, straighten your arms, and open your chest. Breathe in. And as you exhale, gently send your hips back into child's pose. Breathe in and out. Let's repeat that. So, inhale, glide forward to upward facing dog, lifting your heart and lengthening through the front of your body. Exhale, return to child's pose. Breathe in and out. One more time. Inhale, coming to upward facing dog. As you exhale, now tuck your toes under, lift your hips up and back, and make your way into downward facing dog. Take a moment to settle in. Lengthen your spine and relax your neck. Let's take a deep breath in and out. On your next inhale, lift one of your legs high, coming to three-legged dog. Exhale slowly and with control. Step your foot forward between your two hands. Inhale, rise up and open to warrior two. Keeping your front knee aligned with your ankle, back leg strong and arms extending in opposite direction. Inhale, reverse your warrior, reaching your front arm up and back. Strong legs, strong and stable. Exhale, bring both hands down to the floor and step your front leg back. Extend your body into one leg breath. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, open your chest, upward facing dog. And exhale, lift your hips into downward facing dog. Take a breath here and a breath out. Now let's balance the practice, repeating the same to the other side. So inhale, lift your opposite leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, step your foot forward between your hands. Inhale, rise up into warrior two. Find your stability. Keep your front knee tracking over your foot. Inhale, move into reverse warrior. Open your heart. Exhale. Now bring your hands down to the floor. Inhale, step your back leg up and extend behind you. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog. And exhale, return to child's pose now. Relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a few moments to reconnect with your body, with your mind. Take this moment for yourself. On your next inhale, come down onto your hands and knees, finding your tabletop position. Take a breath here to prepare. Inhale, extend one leg back and reach the opposite arm forward. Find your balance and concentrate on creating stillness. Activate your core, engage your whole body. Feel the connection between strength and stability. Stay here. Keep your gaze soft and your spine long. Now bend the knee of your extended leg and try to hold your ankle with the opposite hand. Gently open your heart forward, lift your foot toward the sky, creating a beautiful opening to your chest, shoulders, and hips. Keep breathing. Feel the strength of your body and the freedom of your movement. Slowly let it go. Touch your hand to the floor and exhale, bend your elbows, coming to this push-up. Inhale, coming to upward facing dog, and exhale back to child's pose. One more time, take this moment to relax your body, to feel alive and to feel present. Back to tabletop. Inhale, extend the other leg back now and reach the opposite arm forward. Find your balance one more time. Stay here. Continue breathing deeply. Now bend the knee of your extended leg and reach your back with your opposite hand, trying to hold your ankle one more time. Take a deep inhale and exhale, gently open your heart forward, lifting your foot through the sky one more time. Keep breathing. Stay for one more breath, find balance, find this connection. When you're ready, slowly release it and bring your hands to the floor. Exhale, bend your elbows. One more push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog one more time. And take this moment to reconnect with your body. Feel the energy you have created through this practice until now. Notice your breath, notice your heartbeat in your chest. Feel how your body feels right now, stronger, warmer, and more awake. Take a deep inhale and slow, complete. Get along your knees down to the floor. Sit back onto your heels, come into a comfortable position, and extend your legs forward in the front of you. Find your way into staff pose. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms to the sky, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, slowly fold forward over your legs. Allow your hands to rest wherever they naturally reach. Relax your shoulders, soften your face, and breathe deeply into the back of your body. With every inhale, create more length. With every exhale, allow yourself to surrender deeper and deeper in this posture. Slowly come back up, bend one knee and bring your foot to the outside of your opposite leg. Wrap your opposite arm around the bent knee. As you exhale, begin to twist your body, looking back over your shoulder. Keep your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. With every single inhale, grow a little longer through the crown of your head. With every exhale, allow yourself to slide into the twist. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come back to the front and let's switch legs. So bend the other knee, bringing the foot to the other side of the opposite leg. Exhale and twist your body to the other direction. Remember to allow yourself to go deep and deeply into the twist. Find all the benefits of this position with every breath in and every breath out. Slowly, let's return to the center. Extend the two legs, adjust yourself, and let's come into boat posture. So, stay strong, engage your core, and feel the strength of your entire body supporting you. Keep your chest open, your spine long, and your breath steady. Remember, strength is built not only through effort, but through presence and awareness. Keep breathing, stay focused. You are stronger than you think. Take one more deep inhale and exhale, gentle release the pose. Come into a comfortable position and slowly coming back to your mats. Lay down with your spine, relax your body for 1 second. Hug your knees to your chest, feeling this nice stretch through your lower back. You can move side to side as you want. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your one ankle over the opposite knee and gently hug the bent leg to your chest. Feel this beautiful stretch through your glutes. Extend your arms out to the side and allow both legs to drop over to one side, coming to a gentle spinal twist. Turn your gaze in the opposite direction, allowing your chest and shoulders to open. Feel this beautiful rotation through your spine and breathe deeply. Breathe in, breathe out, come back, and let's repeat on the other side. So now you bring the other ankle to the opposite knee, hug your bent leg, and feel the stretch to the other glutes. Let go of your legs and your arms, and turn your gaze in the opposite direction, allowing your legs to drop over to the other side now. With every inhale, create space, and with every exhale, relax deeper into this twist. Tofi's coming to the practice. Say hi to Tofi. And so let's continue. Extend your legs and let's come into this shoulder inversion. Slowly extend your legs up to the sky, bringing your body into a shoulder standing variation. Use your hands to gently support your lower back, keeping your elbows grounded and your neck relaxed. Find stability through your core and allow your legs to rise with control. Point your toes to the sky and feel the length through your entire body. Slowly, when you're ready, start to lower your legs back and down with control, keeping your movements mindful and smooth. And finally, we are here on your last position, Shavasana, corpse pose. So let's close our eyes, relax your body for complete. Start to feel in your body heavy and let it go of all your muscles. Let it go of all your faults. Let it go of all the problems and everything that you need to do after you finish this class today. Only allow your body to completely relax and to be free in this position. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold. Exhale. exhale through your mouth, relaxing deeper and deeper. Slowly, let's return our physical body. Start to move in your legs, move your feet, your toes. Pass your hands through your body, feeling the touch on your skin. Extend your arms, extend your legs, a big reach. Bend your knees, hug your knees, your chest. And slowly, let's come back, sit down on a comfortable position like we start our practice today. Remain with your eyes closed, with your face soft, your hands rested up to your knees, with your palms turning to the sky, so you can feel and change the energy of this prana energy that we cultivate today with the whole universe, with the sun, with the sky. So inhale, bring your hands to the sky, hands together, feeling the energy between your two hands. Exhale, bring your hands to your third eye. Thank yourself for the intuition. Exhale again, bring your hands to your heart and thank your body, your health, and the Mother Earth. I hope that you enjoyed this class today, and I'm hoping to see you on the next one. Namaste.